Hey there, I'm OMMICANG and you're at OMMICANGS. If this is the first time hearing the name, I welcome you to this space, alright? This is the home of updates of everything that works on the net where you can make money online. In fact, we don't make money online because the money has already been made. We make you mint the money that has been made. So if you're new to this channel, do go to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell, alright, so that you'll be able to get hands-on update as they land on this channel, alright. Okay, so today I'm not going to be wasting your time. Let me just quickly show you something quickly. Today's session is for those who might have funded their Paga card and are having difficulties withdrawing their money. Now, I have been here. Let me show you what I mean. I'll just log in straight into my Paga right now. Let me log into my Paga account right now to show you what I mean, alright. Let me just log into my Paga. Now, on this Paga account right now, you will notice that I have 51.50 Naira left on this account. It was not like this initially, all right? This was this was the amount that was in there before, all right? So if you come here, sorry, let me just go into my screenshot for my gallery. All right, this was the amount I had on this Paga account, and I was having difficulty withdrawing because each time you try to withdraw, you would get a message like this. All right, let me show you the type of message. Let's just say you try to withdraw now, and then you want to withdraw 15 Naira from this account. Okay, this would exceed maximum amount, but you just get a message that you could not process withdrawal because of insufficient funds. But that's not what is happening. You would actually see the money in the account. All right, you would have the money in the account, but you will be unable to withdraw it when you try to use this withdraw button. All right, when you try to use this withdraw option here, you're unable to withdraw it. Now, how exactly did I even get to have money stuck on my Paga card? Let's go through the transaction history, all right, just to show you a possible scenario of what might have happened to you. So I actually used this card on recharge.com, all right. I used this card on recharge.com and I was debited for a failed transaction. And I reached out to Paga. Paga told me the transaction was successful. Then I reached out to recharge.com and then they told me it was unsuccessful. But the funny thing was I could see the money in my Paga card, but I could not withdraw it using the withdraw option on Paga. All right. So I was not ready to wait for that long process of them coming to confirm or not confirm. What did I do? I withdraw the money direct, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. All right, so in order for you to do that, you'll be using PalmPay app. So if you don't have PalmPay, please go and download PalmPay from the store. I think I would leave a description and the link below, but if I don't, please just go to the Play Store and download PalmPay. But if I do what to use the link to like download PalmPay. So you just want to go into PalmPay. All right, this is the PalmPay app. They separate it. So once you are in your PalmPay app, you want to log in. I logged into my account. Then you want to tap on fund. You want to tap on fund. All right, fund right there. So once you tap on fund, you want to fund with bank card. Bank card. Now pay attention to this. It is very important. Once you tap on fund with bank card, you'll be told to, you would have to select a new card, all right, around there. So just tap on change, all right. You want to change or add a new card, whichever you see there. So once you tap on that, you want to tap on use a new bank card. Now, this is where you need to pay very specific attention to. So the card number right here is asking you what card number will you be using for it. What's the card number? Then you go down to your Paga app, all right, and you want to tap on details right here to be able to copy your card details. So once you go there, you tap on details, you tap on show, here. Once you tap on show, let it load up and that should show up. All right, then you want to copy your card details. You want to copy it with these copy icons that are here, right? So let me just copy my card details right here, all right? So once you copy it, you want to head back to PalmPay, paste it there. The 16 or 19 digits card details, all right? Now, you want to go to select bank. If you tap on select bank and you search for Paga, it is not going to work. Let me show you how I mean. Valid through, copy that one, put it there. Just have to put that there, all right? Then CVV, I put that, I impute that there, and I tap on next button, all right? So when I tap on next button, you notice this message pops up. Your card does not match the bank selected. Do you want to correct it? So if you go ahead to tap on yes, it would go ahead to continue. All right. And then you want to withdraw money, and then you put in the amount you want to withdraw down here. Let's say you put in this amount, and then you put in, input the PIN. You see, the transaction fails. The transaction did what? The transaction failed. And then when you look at the notification message it brings to you, all right, it tells you that deposit failed. Please try a different payment method. You can see that, right? So the transaction fails. That's because you are using Paga. This is the trick. Don't use Paga. Let me show you what you want to use. So complete this. Just tap on complete. All right. And when you want to then input your card details again, tap on fund. Tap on fund here again. Remember, on my account, I think we have about 51 naira, right? So once I tap on fund, I tap on fund with bank card. All right, let me just tap on change here for the purpose of this session. Do I already have it added here at the top? But I'm just going to go ahead and do that again. All right, use a new bank card. I input my card details. All right, that's the one I copied from Paga. My Paga card details. I select bank. Instead of using Paga, I use United Bank of Africa, UBA. So how did I come up with this idea? Well, you will notice that whenever you are requesting for OTP or you are trying to like get to the payments page, the payment provider for Paga is actually UBA, all right? So basically they are affiliated with UBA. UBA owns the cards, not Paga. So you want to use that to like withdraw from there, right? So valid true, put the expiry date on the valid true. So I'll go ahead and put mine right there, and then I enter the CVV. And now when you notice that I tap on next, it does not pop up any of the error again. It just goes direct. You see that? It goes direct. And right now I will go on to withdraw. Oh, I cannot withdraw less than 100 naira because I now have 51 naira in the account, but I don't think I can withdraw less than 100 naira. So I would not be able to withdraw at this point. But when you do proceed to, because let me show you, I just withdrew not quite long. If you see here, you would notice that I have withdrawn 9,500 naira. Can you see that? I withdrew 9,500 naira at 12:39. That was just a couple of minutes back, all right? So I was able to withdraw that using this method, and you should try this method out so you'll be able to withdraw your money instantly from Paga card without having any hassle or the other stuff like that, all right? And then you can proceed to like, do the usual, delete the card, create a new one, and you'll be just fine. Now, once you just tap on the amount you want to remove, you want to ensure that you leave at least 26 naira or about 13 naira to cover the transaction cost that you would use. You are debiting the card. And you also don't need to input your PIN, your Paga card PIN. But there's a PIN page that would come up. Let me show you. Let's just use 200. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So let me say, okay, I want to withdraw. Okay, let me even try this, 15 naira. All right, let me tap on fund. Let's see. Okay, it should be above 100 naira. So let's just try 100 naira, right? I know I don't have that in that card. All right, let me tap on fund. So once I tap on fund, it brings me here, right? So this pin, you see this pin you are seeing here? I think I wasted time the other time. Sorry about that. The pin you are seeing here is actually your Paga transaction pin. Your PalmPay transaction pin. It does not have anything to do with your Paga at all. This is your PalmPay transaction pin. So I'll just go on to input mine as my pin. PalmPay transaction pin, then it will be authorized by Paystack. Paystack would have to authorize this transaction. All right, so once Paystack goes there and then leave it, it's loading. Just let it load. Just let that one load. Okay, so it tells me to close the web page. He did not proceed. I think it's because I do not have funds on that account, right? So they can actually debit it. So it's going to fail. But the point is, once Paystack is, before Paystack loads this transaction up, you're supposed to get an OTP page from UBA, all right? And then you're going to receive an OTP from UBA. Let me show you what that looks like. I should be able to get that right here. So if I go down to my messages, you would see what I mean. Let me just go down to my messages right here, and you will see this is it right now. So I just get an OTP instantly. You will notice the time to which I got the OTP, 11:21 p.m. still around that time, all right? So you will get an OTP, all right, and then you put the OTP, and Paystack would proceed with the transaction, and it will be successful, all right? But right now, it will not become successful, all right? So when I tap on leave this page, I close this page, it would not be successful. because I don't have any funds in the account. I've already withdrawn the funds. But that's just the basic way, right? The main trick here is don't select Paga card. Don't select Paga as the bank when you are adding your bank card here. That's the main trick, all right? You want to select UBA. So if you select UBA, you'll be able to withdraw your funds from your Paga card, all right? So that's just the basic trick about that one, and I hope this works for you. I'm very certain it should work for you. But if it doesn't work for you, please do share what made it not work for you in the comment section below, and let us try to see how we can help you better. So once more, I'm OMMICANG and your OMMICANGS, and it's a pleasure to have you on this channel. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and also share this video to anyone whom you think could be able to benefit from it.